This is that light I was talking about in that message. As you can see, the steel gutter up there. There's an ice sheet hanging out to about there. It hit the other light. You can see it was up so high that I had trouble installing the mounting arm. And if you notice, it's actually on backwards. The bottom, which is supposed to be on the wall, is in the back of the light. And the part that goes into the light is actually on the wall. It works. I recently had to replace the photo sensor, so as a what they call a UTILITECH, but I think it was made by American Photo Sensor Research or something like that. It's a big name brand that was just rebranded. And I also have a new Philips Alto high pressure sodium bulb in there, because the other one burned out recently. Started phasing. So you can see how high it is. Doesn't look high, but when you're up there, I mean, it really feels it.